Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetLife mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To download the MetLife mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store from your home screen. For Android users, find the Google Play Store icon and tap on it. In the search bar, type MetLife and hit search. Look for the app with the MetLife logo and name in the results. On iPhone, tap the Get button next to the app. For Android, tap the Install button to begin downloading. Once the app has finished downloading, open it by tapping Open. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. If you already have a MetLife account, select the Login option. Enter your username and password in the fields provided. If you're a new user, tap Register to create an account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information for registration. After registering, return to the login screen and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up security features. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities. Now you're ready to use the MetLife mobile app for all your insurance needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.